Kia ora e te iwi, race 162. Te Ihu Semi 3 of 3 for the under-16 boys. Tauranga Boys in lane 1, Whanganui City College in lane 2. Te kura kaupapa Māori o te pihipihinga kākono mai rangi Aotea Hamilton Boys High School. Te kura Māori o Porirua, te kura kaupapa Māori o Hokianga, Francis Douglas Memorial College. We have Gisborne Boys High School in lane 8. We have a red flag at te iwi. About to start at any time now. And we have a green flag. 1 and lane 6 had the best starts. Tauranga Boys College, Otane Wainuku. And out there, lane 6, te kura kaupapa Māori o Hokianga. No, this is Tauranga Boys from Tauranga Boys College. Lane 6 out there, te kura kaupapa Māori o Hokianga. Strong race. Some strong paddlers in here. 4, 5 and 6 will go into the turn first. Lane 4, Hamilton Boys High School. Lane 5, Te Kura Māori o Porirua. And lane 6, Te Kura Kaupapa Māori o Hokianga. It's Hamilton Boys that went into it first in lane 4. Who's come out first? It is Hamilton Boys, and then Te Kura Kaupapa Māori o Hokianga here in lane 6. Beautiful turn here. This is Wairere. Wairere now in front. E koke ana ki te rārangi whakamutunga. There's boys coming up. Show that there's only 125 metres to go in this race. 500 metre semi 3 of 3 for Te Ihu. Hamilton Boys leading by a Waka length. No one can catch them. They will take first place, and it'll be out there, lane 6. Te kura kaupapa Māori o Hokianga. Kupe is the name of their team. After the amazing turn they had, they've got second place. Kua tai tuatoru mai. Ko te kapa no Whanganui pia. Whanganui in lane 2 may have got that. But this is your winning team from Hamilton Boys, Wairere. And the third semi for Te Ihu, under 16 boys.